What's going on, everyone? So today I wanted to make a video demonstrating what to expect when using these two products. We got the Chemical Guys Leather Quick Detailer and their leather conditioner. Now, I am in no way sponsored by this company. I just wanted to make an unbiased third-party review of these products, just so when you use them at home, you have a better idea of what to expect. You always want to start with the leather detailer. This will clean your surface of any dirt and dust and will prep it for the leather conditioner. Give it a quick shake and just spray it right on. Use a clean microfiber towel and just wipe it down. Next is a leather conditioner. This will help moisturize and protect your seats after you've cleaned them. Give that a quick shake. Now with the conditioner, you want to apply it onto the cloth first. You don't want to apply it directly to the seat. Apply a little bit more as needed. I like to leave that to sit for a couple of minutes or so just to allow the conditioner to soak into the seats. Once you've let that sit for a bit, just use the dry side of your towel and just wipe it down. Now pretty much immediately the seat already looks and feels much better. It's back to its nice clean matte finish. I've been using these products for a while and I've always been really happy with the results. I just wanted to share them with you guys, that way you knew what to expect if you were looking to buy them. Now if you liked this video or found it helpful, feel free to like, don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day.